Siyajola ke no Brown Sugar hayi siyajola impela ke manje no Brown Sugar. U-Brown Sugar guys, ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi the way akhuthele ngakhona athi first born and bonke abanye ebeze emva kwakhe kubo kune gap enkulu. Apparently uma wakhe wayene problem yokuthola abantwana, so wathola abantwana after a long time esekadashada, waqala ngayo wathola yena umfana. So yonke imisebenzi yasendlini uBrown Sugar wayeyenza without a problem. Wayekhuthela uBrown Sugar, and njengoba ngagcina ngimxoxelile nje ukuthi kunale contract engiyitholile, and loyo nto leyo mina ngangiyithole towards the end week of November. Ibe yona into yakhona izoba umhla ka-16 December, event yakhona ingomhla ka-16 December, which is a holiday yangithi, lama events amaningi. So ngase ngimchazelile ukuthi hake into kanje kanje ngale nto bengiye kwi-meeting, bengavele ngathi nje nginabe kwi-interview but ngenza ne-demo ke bakuthanda ukudla kwami kanje. Wabathi khululeka ngizokusiza. Wayengangisizi yini umfana? Wayengangisizi yini umfana? Ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi umfana ngangiqala ukubona umuntu wesilisa empilweni nami okwazi ukumnikeza i-list yezinto zokupheka, ahamba abuye nazo zonke zinjengoba zinjalo without ungacomplain ukuthi hayibo yini lobuye nayo. It's a very rare situation. Umfana wayekhuthele, a driver, ngase ngino driver. Ngicela ukuthi mase yokwenza lama grocery amakhulu, yabona lezi zinto ezinkulu ezithengwa for catering, ko Macro, ko Housewife Market, ko Claywood, Ntontoni, Virgin, what. Umfana wayela mase yothenga ama shelving dish. Umfana wayena suggestions enembono, wangenzela impilo yalula nje. Yazi ngiye ngisho ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi it's true when people say ukuthi abanye abantu bafika in your life for a reason. If it's not for a reason, it's for a purpose. Kodwa uma sebehamba ungabo bakhalela mebehamba ngoba vele bebengazanga ukuzohlala, kusuke kuyisizini yokuthi bafike bakusize for that 1-2 ilunga into yakho ihambe. Because I even remember ukuthi at the time my daughter wayesebenza ingane yami bisisebenza ngaso sikhathi, but isebenza umsebenzi obhedayo, ingakwazi ukuthola i-leave maku December. Kuyinkinga nje ukuthola i-leave. Lo mfana ke esaloke la engisiza ngayo yonke into, ngiloke ngicabanga ngine stress ukuthi uAmanda ngabe wenza u1 no2 no3, but kuukuthi uAmanda akekho. Amanda akakwazi ukuthola i-leave emsebenzini, sekuyena kuBrown Sugar ola. And ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi uyabona le cross night eniyenzayo menenza ko marketering, I remember sekuyi weekend ye event ke manje seku 2 weeks later, a weekend ye event. uBrown Sugar ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi wayehleli nathi la esasipheka khona imililo, la esicocwa khona, afika abamba qobo okuqotshwayo, aphilo okuphilwayo, oqutshulwayo, ini okulandwayo, ula ungena emotweni ngespeed ubuya manje. He was so supportive, and he was so, ukufika kwakhe nje yazi kwavele istress savele sathi nje sahlika naye sa stress ukuthi ngiyashodelwa abantu abazongisiza, because at that time yonke lento yenzeka so fast. Remember ukuthi ngithe umuntu vele engangiqala na into ye catering ne restaurant whatever wayesehambile, so kwavele kwangazi ukuthi nje kufike i replacement yalo ohambile, yafika yawu times 3 of what, you know, of what lo yaya abekakwenza, because lo is even driving. Lo yapomo wahamba ongakwazi ngisho ukudrive, kwakumuntu nje ongekakusize ngalutho. Makuthiwa khona into ekhohliwe efanele kugijinge ke store yolanda, makuthiwa kufanele kuyolanda amabhodo lapha wayengakwazi. Mina kufanele ngenze yonke into lapho, kufanele ngiyenze yonke into, ngibe udrive at the same time. I still have to supervise the whole cooking process. So uBrown Sugar inkosi yami ke ahlale kanjalo ke life yami, but ke the one downside Brown Sugar wayehleze lambile. Brown Sugar wayethanda ukudla, wayehleze lambile, and uBrown Sugar makalambile ufuna ama takeaways. Uma ngabe uthi uzopheka cabanga siphatha ukudla, sisebenza ngokudla la most of the time. Akakufuni lokho kuphekiwe lokho kudla, ufuna uKFC, ufuna uFishaways, ufuna uSteers. Uyayisho ngegama into ayifunayo uBrown Sugar, uyayisho ngegama. At some point ngiyahamba ngiyomdrop endlini yakhe, kade sidlile mhlambe la besisuka khona, mhlambe lento besiceda ukuyenza ngaphela besisebenza. Uthola ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi because kwahamba wavala emsebenzini, yena wavala ngomhla kabani, angisazovala ngomhla kabani, kodwa wavala early nje, mhlambe wavala ngomhla ka8 noma ngomhla kabani, kodwa wavala early emsebenzini because wayesebenza nje in some Yini engishiya into zabantu kodwa ikhona into ayesebenza kuyona khona ngapha ko-Morning Side. So wavala early ngicinga ngomhla ka-9 10 wayesevalile wagoduka waya kubo for 1 weekend and he came back and wangitshela futhi ukuthi I don't usually do this. Mangabe ngivalile mina sengigoduka ngiye ekhaya ngisuke sengigoduka for good ukuthi ngizohlala kuze kushaye uChristmas ne-Happy New Year, but because I want to be here for you nalento yenzayo sengiyibonile ukuthi inomsebenzi omningi iyagqilaza and ngiyayi-understanda ngijwayele nasekhaya osisi bami ukhona wakwayizama i-catering ngibe simsiza naye kanje and ngiyayazi inomsebenzi omningi, so I don't wanna leave you alone because ngiyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So-ke shame kwaba yileyo nto-ke waba helpful, but-ke brown sugar uhlezi elambile and no-brown sugar ehlezi elambile njalo akaludlo olubabayo udla ama-takeaways, but ngangingamind yazi ukumnikeza labo 100 rand ama-cash send ama-100 rand ama-150 ama-50 rand because hey wayesebenza shem, ayisebenza leya ngane yabantu uyayisebenza. Wangangimvusa ngimvuse ngisho nasekuseni ngo-5 ngithi lalela ngo-7 ngizobe sengilapho kwakho ngizokuthatha siyokwenza ukuthi siyofuna i-material ukuthi siye ka-packaging ntontontoni siyofuna amaplate endaweni ukuthi siya ka-macros. Wayengamind ngangimvusa ngangimtshela anytime as long as ngimtshelile nje ukuthi wena ngesikhathi awusuku ngangimvusa shem. Yayiyinhle into esasiyenza la esaxabana khona. I remember my first fallout with him was when wayethanda utshwala. Wayethanda utshwala ephuza and egroova. Yabona umuntu ogroova lo ukuthi uhamba mekayo yena megroova ugroova anyamalale on Friday uyoze umbone on Tuesday. Sabanga ngicabanga ukuthi ngakhetha, let me just be honest, ngakhetha emfaneni because I'm stupid. I am in love. I fall in love easily with abantu abakhuthele. I fall in love easily with abantu abahlakaniphile, the intellectuals, abantu othi mawukhuluma nabo inkulumo ihlangane, abantu aba-clued up ngezinto ezenzekayo in around the world and economics, politics, things nje in general. I fall in love with those people. I think I even googled ukuthi kuthiwa abantu abafana nami babizwa ngani, sengikhohliwe ukuthi ngahlangana negama elithini, kodwa nje there is a word for people like me who fall in love with abantu aba-talented, abantu aba understand what is happening in around the world, economics, politics, everything. There's a word for it. Ngicela siligooglisheni silifune. There's a word for people abafana nami. I fall in love with that more than ukuthi ungikhohlisa ukuthi uyangithanda. Ngisho ngangalisho igama lokuthi ngiyakuthanda, but nje as long as umuntu okhuthele, umuntu othanda abantu, umuntu osebenzisekayo, umuntu ohlakaniphile, if you're an intellectual, if you're somebody on talent, I fall in love with those people nje kalula. So I think ngakhetha because uBrown Sugar was wayekhuthele. Ngafalla in love because I was connecting with umuntu ofana nami and naye waye business minded, even though kwakuthi ke into ayisebenza kwakuyinto nje ephuma eceleni yayi right for yena ngalesa sikhathi because yayimphilisa wazi ukhokha irent nani kodwa ngambona ukuthi naye unayo ingqondo yebhizinisi because ngangibona indlela ayebuza ngayo izinto wayefuna uku-understanda because wayefuna ukuba more helpful in a way ukuthi I'm here for you, I'm here to help you. And it didn't we work no Brown Sugar. Lafika usuku le-event ngicela ukutshela ukuthi usuku le-event asizange silale no Brown Sugar with my team ney'ngane engangisebenza nayo from Thursday, ngoba phela mawenza i-catering ibhizi yakho kahle kuqala ngolesithathu uyothenga ukudla okudry, oma-rice, oflour, ontontone. Mina ngangi-specialize with ilokhu njana traditional food, uthenga ofry, yeast, into zonke lezi zinto ezi-dry uzithenga ngolesithathu ngoba ngithi uyothenga in bulk. I'm cooking for 1,500 people here, and then on Thursday uqoqa zonke izinto ongazicabanga, ama-plate, wenza sure ama-spices aphelele nayo yonke into, and then mina ngangizithenga endaweni ezahlukene because ama-price awafani endaweni ezo. Ama-price aka-macro ngiyazi ukuthi ka-macro ngizothola ama-spices in bulks, lapha ngizothola ukuthi lapha yabo yonke leyo into le. And then on Friday now, a day before the event, uyothenga ama-fresh produce. Ama-fresh produce, you want to find them fresh, or lettuce, or matamatisi, or whatever that you use for your salads and your veggies. You want those things fresh. Ngangehla ngenyuka naye the whole day. engacomplaini nakancane umntana abantu uyacabanga ukuthi usevalile emsebenzini ngehla ngenyuka naye, uyena osedriver, uyena everything ngehla ngenyuka naye. And then lafika usuku le-event asizange silale kusukela Thursday, Friday kuyaphekwa Friday ebusuku, kuphekwa kuyachopha Friday emini the whole day and the whole night, ezintatha ngabo 3-4 mayonze those who does catering know siyaqala siyapheka ukuphekwayo ojeqe bayaxova ukuze ukuthi qambe kushaya u5 ngoba esama kuyashisa, qambe kushaya u5 ujeqe unyukile, then after that uyaphekwa. Siyapheka Friday ebusuku, asilele, asange silale, kwaba uThursday, kwaba uFriday, kwaba uSunday, sase salala on Monday. Uke wangalali uze ube numb ukuthi awulali, you keep on drinking iCoke, you keep on drinking ama-energy drink, something that is going to energize you. Ugcina sekungasalaleki at all, ugcina sekungasalaleki. Ngifuna ukutshela ke guys ukuthi mina those are the kinds of people that I met on Tinder. That guy saqhubeka naye senze into esiyenzayo naye up until we had i-fallout yethu, mhlambe I think we pushed 6 months. Ayi isiningi leso sikhathi ne, mhlambe up until 6 months, because I remember kwase kuvule ngisho izikole. Kwakwenzakalani? Kwase kuvule ngisho izikole engitshela ukuthi engicela imali yokuthi ufuna ukuya kwi-interview, angazi kephi ubizwe PPP empangeni ntontontoni. Kodwa nje kwase kuvule ngisho izikole ko February March. Into yethu iqale ngoNovember, sibaleni ke guys, December, January, February, March. 4 months nomuntu wamakathinda. I-fallout yethu kwaba yini? Angisazi. Honestly, I don't know. Mhlambe kwaba yiyona lento ukuthi uhleze elambile, hleze ecela ama-airtime. Uyabona nje umuntu ohleze ekhamisile nkawu, hleze ukhamisa nkawu olambileyo now and again, and ulambile ufuna u50 nini osheshayo, ufuna ukuyothenga ilunch, ufuna u100 we-airtime, ufuna ukufonela uma, ufuna ngicabanga ukuthi ngavele ngaphuma nje kuyena. I don't know. Ngaphela remember ukuthi eceleni kosuku vele yeah. Kwakungeyona umshado lento. Futhi ayingeke iziqale ngazo ukuthi sidalelene, after all it was Tinder. Ayibo, cabanga lento. Asilandelane, sitholane. Aningilandele phela ku Instagram, naku TikTok ngikhona, naku Facebook ngikhona, engage lapha content yami on Facebook. Kodwa ke other than that, mina nawe asihlangane. Story nesilandelayo. It's a story time. Yeah. It's a story time. Love and peace. Bye.